Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Net Worth and Lifestyle of Celebrities. Today we will discuss about Harold Daggett Net Worth 2024. In this video you will get to know all the information that Harold Daggett's bio, career and lifestyle. So guys, without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, you should know who is Harold Daggett. So Harold J. Daggett is the president of one of North America's largest maritime labor unions, the International Longshoremen's Association (ILA). He has held this post since 2011. The ILA represents workers including dock workers in ports and terminals on the US East Coast, Gulf Coast, Great Lakes, Puerto Rico, and Eastern Canada. Daggett comes from an ILA family and has been part of the union for decades. His father was a longshoreman who became an ILA leader. He held a number of leadership positions within the union prior to becoming president and was the executive vice president for more than 2 years before he took over as head of its National Maintenance and Repair Committee. Now talk about Harold Daggett early life details. So Harold J. Daggett was born on October 18, 1946 into a family with strong ties to the longshoreman's industry. His father was a longshoreman, which influenced Harold's future career path. Daggett began his career as a longshoreman, working on the docks and gaining first-hand experience in the maritime industry. This hands-on experience would later prove invaluable in his union leadership roles. Since assuming the presidency, Daggett has been involved in labor negotiations between the ILA and various Atlantic and Gulf Coast shipping companies. He has also fought for the labor rights and safety of longshoremen, especially as automation becomes increasingly common in shipping, a major threat to traditional longshore jobs. His leadership supports jobs, fair wages, and improved working conditions for every port worker in ILA. Now talk about Harold Daggett net worth in 2024. So our analysis indicates that Harold Daggett's net worth is around between 500k to $1 million. So I request you to please like the video, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell